Okay, so this is the basic environment. You have a set of controls over here. You have your little weight, and then you have your play space in the middle. So the way this works is you grab either the triggers or the grip buttons, and then you can move the play space around you. So that's how you can kind of move around the space. Shouldn't need too much moving. It's mainly in case something's out of reach, for example, and needs to be brought closer. So you can grab anywhere and keep doing it. So it's quite accessible as a method of moving while being stationary. So we have the play space here and the weight, which both of them can be moved. So I can pick that up and move it. And then both of these can also be resized. So to do resize, you use the grab button, which is this one on the side here, on both controllers, and you select it, and then you move the hands further and closer apart to change the weight, and that changes the physical properties, the physics properties of this object to make it heavier or lighter. Then if you move this, you can also resize this, so you can make that bigger or smaller too. If you move this like that, it won't do anything. But if you grab this and release it inside of here, so not sticking out, but inside, it will fall and it will break the slab. At that point, you get these spots coming up, and these are hot spots, so they allow you to walk on the top of the object. So to do that, you press the B button, which is on the right controller. If anyone gets stuck, there is a primer to read, but if you press the help button here, it gives you some controller information hints. So to go on to walk on, press the B button, and then that puts you on top of the slab. So in this environment, if you're using the right controller, you can rotate by jogging the joystick left and right. And then you can move around the space by, again, using the joystick, pushing forward to change which spot you're on. So you move around just by jumping the different spots. It's called teleportation movement mechanic. So, and doing this, they can walk around. They can also, I did put it in as an extra thing, on the left-hand side, if you use the same joystick to rotate, it will snap turn, whereas the other one is more of a smooth turn, and the smooth turn can be a little bit harder to for people to get used to. So the snap turn can be more comfortable for some people. So in here they can look at the fracture pattern, and then when they've decided they've had enough of that, they just have to press the B button, and that will take them back out into the previous view. Now at this point, that's still fractured, so in order to start again, they press the reset button, and that will snap this play space back to original and its unbroken state, and they can go again. Get a different fracture pattern depending on the angle often and the weight of the mass of this weight. So it gives them the opportunity to try different fractures that they can then observe. So again, if I get out of this, the next thing to do is to we want to try a different mode. So we have the basic slab, which is this one, it's the default, and then we have the one fixed edge, which is the kind of balcony setup. So we've got this back plate object behind it, and essentially what that's doing is it's gluing this edge in place. So we can do the same thing. We can drop this and it causes the fracture. This one stays where it is. All of them do freeze after a while. They don't fall completely because it makes it much harder to do the walk on mode if things are too far away. So For example, on this one, say I'm on the back of this slab, I can go down and go onto this one here, and then I can look at how these pieces are coming together. And then press the B again to get out. And then again, if you reset. Oh, it didn't get rid of the old one. Let's put a new one in. I'll have to change that. Normally when you reset it, you only get one copy. I must have just called the wrong. Yeah, called the wrong feature there. So that's what will happen though, is it will reset and you'll get the same one back. That's basically it. I will fix that. So just so you can see then, let's scale up a little bit. So this is the effect you're getting with that second fracturing method. I'm hoping that looks like what you expect it to look like compared to the other one. Please let me know if it doesn't look right.